guys, back again to our Baby Star channel. I'm Ying.
I'm Nít.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello to you.
Hello nói.
Hello Bob.
So, our just finished lunch and we are waiting a tram. And success, you are touring a tram at Mahasarakham University.
Okay guys, I will tell you about the locations of trams.
Yes.
If you walking from Talat Noi, is to behind on your left inside the mystery of
Yes.
MSU. Yes, the tram of town is have every day if you want.
Yes.
And on
Monday to
Monday
Friday,
to Friday.
starts at 7 a.m.
Yes,
to
8 p.m. Yes, and on
Saturday.
to Sunday start is the same. 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yes, if you want, you can come here. Okay,
Okay, right. Going to take a tram.
let's go. So hot. How do you feel today?
Oh, I feel so hot. Yeah. It's very hot today. It's like summer in Thailand. Oh.
Yeah, it's because of effect from global warming.
Yeah, is the effect from global warming because of every country have effect for it, and the temperature in the world is be higher every year, and the every country are thinking about the solo for the problem global warming. What do you think? What do you think about that and your idea, my friends?
I think we should small truck or bicycle or รถราง
And you?
Yes, I think we must have to help together to plant a tree.
Yeah. Wow, that's good idea for you.
Yeah.
And you?
I turn off electronic when I go out.
That. You sure?
Yes.
And you? Turn off?
I think reuse or recycle plastic or glass.
Okay.
Okay, time to go. Let's go.
have your guide your service and free for you.
So don't forget subscribe and like my video. If you have suggestions, please comment down below. Okay? Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you next week.
And let's do something fun.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down.
Running out of time. I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side.